In the previous tutorial, Christian explained how to create a new breeding scheme. In our new breeding scheme, when clicking the Spreadsheet button, we will now have access to the breeding scheme spreadsheet, which is where you'll be documenting your breeding scheme. In the upmost part, you will find the breeding pipeline and name of your newly created breeding scheme being displayed. And if you want to return to the previous page with the list of breeding schemes, you can click here on Breeding Schemes. The spreadsheet is divided into 9 different sections: breeding population, crossing and population structure, seed and material increase, genotyping, marker-assisted selection, phenotype screening, trial design, phenotyping, evaluation and selection, and advancement. If you hover the mouse over the header in each section, a brief description will be shown. The same will happen for the column headers within each section. If you want only specific sections to be shown to you, in the upper toolbar you can select which sections you want to see displayed. Upon creation, the spreadsheet already starts with a single row to be filled. If you want to add a new, unfilled row to the spreadsheet, you should select the plus sign in the upper toolbar. If you want to duplicate a row that is already filled, you should select the plus sign to the left of the row you want to duplicate. And if you need to delete a row, you should select the bin icon to the left of the row you want to delete. You can change the order in which the rows appear by clicking on the arrows in the number column. In the event of any errors when updating information in the spreadsheet, the refresh button in the upper toolbar can be used as a first troubleshooting step. Finally, when you're done filling out the spreadsheet, if you want to export your breeding scheme as an Excel file to save it locally on your computer, you can just click the download icon. Additionally, there's also the possibility of adding your own notes to your breeding scheme spreadsheet. Now that we got you acquainted with the overall interface of the breeding scheme manager, it's time to move on and get started on documenting our example breeding scheme. In the next video, I'll show you how to prepare a sketch of your breeding scheme, an important step before starting to fill out the BSM spreadsheet.